Hey, Dave here from Reflection, and today I'm excited to introduce you to version 6, our most polished update yet. Let's start by looking at the editor. We've refined how you get guidance while writing. The redesigned interface has a dedicated bar for asking questions, plus quick actions for common reflections, all without interrupting your flow. It's the same thoughtful support you rely on, now more seamlessly integrated right where you need it the most. Now let's take a quick look at search. We've completely rebuilt search with the ability to ask questions at its core. Now when you ask a question like, what were some of my highlights from last quarter? In addition to an insightful response, you'll get direct links to the source entries so you can dive deeper. We've also made it easier to continue reflecting by creating a new entry directly from any search response. We've made delightful design updates like this throughout the app. Starting an entry is now easier with quick actions for adding a photo, getting inspiration, or accessing one of your quick templates. We also plan to add voice here in the near future, which I'm really excited about. In addition, we've updated the calendar and tags interface. With each of these, we hope we've made your experience with journaling a bit more accessible and added a bit more meaning to your practice. Reflection V6 is now available on all platforms, iOS, Android, Mac, and web. We can't wait to hear what you think, and as always, please send us your feedback. Looking forward to hearing from you.